Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Don't be fooled by the look or the looks or the beards or the clothing or the dresses and the frequent visits to Hajj and Umrah. All of these are, of course, very important, but never be deceived by that. Of course, you will be happy to see people like that. But of course, at the same time, you have to look at how they live and how they treat each others and how they treat others. No matter what your physical appearance, when you have kindness in your heart, you are the most beautiful person in the world. Your physical appearance, of course, following the Sunnah of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, is highly recommended and rewarded, of course. But we should be very careful also not to judge people only from their appearance. A broken heart can sometimes cause you to do and say hurtful things. And of course, these broken hearts can sometimes are broken hearts because of what they see from contrary actions to the looks and appearances. But always remember that Allah is with you even then, more than ever, when you are or you have broken hearts and you feel saddened by the deceptive looks or appearances that unfortunately have perpetrated actions that are contrary to their look. It's very important to understand that both are needed. The appearance, the Islamic appearance, and the right actions that will be fruitful and rewarded. My best friends, when you have a secret, your best friends will keep it. When you need pieces of advice, they will give it to you. And they will give you the best advice. Anyone can love you while the sun is shining. It is within the storms you learn who truly cares for you. It is within the storms or during the storms when you learn who truly cares about you or for you. Psychology says the person who tries to keep everyone happy often ends up feeling the loneliest. Throughout life, you will meet one person who is unlike any other. This person is one you could forever talk to. Is not like any other person. Because they understand you in a way that no one else does or even could. This person is your soulmate, your best friend, your brother in Islam, your sister in Islam. So, thank you all for being that true friend. And be that true friend, please, for each other. May Allah reunite all of us in Jannat al-Firdaus. Take care, everybody. Salam. This is a message that I've received from Kenya, again by the lovely brother Umar Ahmed, and I have added my own touches into it, and I've elaborated more into it, going deeper a little bit. Take care, everybody. This is Dr. Khalid Al-Dossary from Dammam, Saudi Arabia.